Here's how you overlap a Vesta outside corner piece, whether it's the dual flange or single flange. So this is our bottom piece. Now what's unique about this is I'm cutting this one first. And the importance of that is so I can overlap the top over the bottom, and it gives a really nice appearance on the front that'll lock it in place. And I'll show you in a little more detail. So what I've done is I've snipped the J-channel back on each end, and then I give a little relief cut on the face of this so my piece will slide over it really easy. It can be a little difficult because we have really tight bends on this Vesta outside corner piece, but I'll keep the face so that way when I put the top piece on, it'll slide right into the hems, lock in place, and have a really nice clean overlap that's gonna hold in place the lifetime of this outside corner. So this gives a really nice aesthetic and front face to this outside corner, but what we also have to think about is water management. What you can do is put a piece of flashing tape on each side that'll go over top of this outside corner J and go behind the top piece. That way water flows down, it'll hit that tape and still stay over top of the bottom piece, no matter the gap.